Welcome back. Medical schools around the country are seeing a new encouraging trend in the middle of the pandemic. The number of students applying to med schools is on the rise. Naomi Ruckham has more on what's being called the Fauci effect.
Madeline Lawn is finishing her senior year of college and has big plans for the future.
I have already applied to medical school and gotten into Virginia Tech. I'm waiting to hear back from a couple more places right now.
More students are applying to medical school in recent years, and data from the Association of American Medical Colleges shows the number of students applying for the 2021 academic year is up about 18% from last year.
Some are calling it the Fauci effect. So many good things come from Dr. Fauci. One of them may be to inspire careers for other folks that are interested in medicine.
Dr. Lee Learman is the dean of Virginia Tech Carilion School of Medicine, which has seen a nearly 50% increase in applications. The school also added a new trend in medical education, health system science, to its curriculum last year.
Then the pandemic comes and it becomes a case study in many of the elements of health system science. Then medicine, to really improve health and prevent disease for a population, understanding the different organizations that need to come together.
Madeline has already seen firsthand how critical the system is. She's been working as a medical scribe in an emergency room, assisting staff by taking notes for patients' charts.
How has what you've been dealing with the past few months influenced your drive to go into medicine?
I think it's solidified that this is exactly what I want to do. I have worked for thousands of hours in the emergency department prior to COVID. Trying to get patients out the door healthy is something that I want to do for the rest of my life.
She doesn't know what field of medicine she will choose, but looks forward to finding her calling. Naomi Ruckham, CBS News.
Medical schools have been working to increase class sizes. Dozens of new schools have also opened to try to address the physician shortage projected for coming years. And more children are being hospitalized for COVID-19. Researchers looked at data from 22 states and found over 5,300 children were hospitalized due to COVID-19 between the spring and late fall. In mid-May, the average hospitalization rate was 2 per 100,000 children, but that increased to 17.2 by mid-November. The scientists say as discussions around in-person learning continue, the hospitalization growth may offer reasons for concern. If facing a winter of COVID, lockdown has put you down in the dumps, put down your phone and head outside. A new British study of nearly 300 quarantining adults found they felt happier when they were outdoors. The adults in the study were measured for happiness 3 times a day for 21 days. Their happiness was also boosted when they spent less time in front of a screen. And another benefit of being out in nature, people felt less lonely.